In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to like a comment or how to kudo a comment as they call it on the Strava. Of course, on Strava application as we said. So of course, first of all you need to do just go and download the Strava application if you already have it. Sorry, if you don't have it on your phone already. If you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you will need to actually go and open the application, then actually log in into it. If you have an account, just log in into your account. But if you don't, you will need to go and create your account. Of course, they will provide you three options to create your account. There will be their Facebook option, Google option, or even the email option. Choose whatever suits you to create an account. And once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you'll find yourself at this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, here you'll find like your posts, activities. Of course, you can add or upload the new posts, photos, and manual activities. You can edit some of your recent posts or activities or segments as they called here, or even delete them. But what we said is we would like to like a comment. So of course, we can just go here to a random activity and let's click at this comment option. Let's just add a comment as an example. Let's just add hello. Nice to meet you. Or let's say as an example, we're going to write a good run because like this is an application about like activities and stuff. So once I commented this, if I want to like a comment, I can just go and click at this hearts icon. As you can see, one like to this comment. Of course, if I want to remove my like, I can just go and click on that again, and this will be removed. So if you want to like it, just click on it, and we will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.